Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making some video game themed Valentine's Day cookies. So let's jump right on in. Okay, so this cookie set is going to be made up of 5 cookies, 3 mini hearts, 1 Pac-Man, and 1 Miss Pac-Man. And as always, I'm going to start out by outlining all of the shapes. I'm starting with Pac-Man, then we're going to move to Miss Pac-Man, and then the 3 hearts. So you can see with the Miss Pac-Man cookie, I'm going to leave out the bow just to outline the portion that you would with the yellow. And now I have the 3 hearts that I mentioned earlier. Now when I was younger, Pac-Man and Miss Pac-Man, they were some of the earliest games that I got. I had some for that were just like those little single game, like mini handheld console things that they had years ago. And then I had some that were just for regular game systems. Now that I've outlined everything, I'm going back in and I am filling it in with my thinner royal icing. So I'm going to start again with Pac-Man, then I'm going to move to Miss Pac-Man, and then the 3 hearts. This is really a super simple cookie set to make if you're looking for something that's going to be simple, but it looks really, really nice and would make a really excellent gift. This is something that would be really good. So as I fill in these hearts, if you enjoyed this video, why don't you leave me a like down below, subscribe, and maybe leave me a comment. I think these hearts turned out really well. They are actually some of my favorite cookies. I mean, they're just super simple, but I think they just, I don't know, they just look so cute and they're so tiny and everything. I love mini cookies, and these just make me really happy. Okay, so now it's time for that bow, and I'm just going to do a simple bow shape on top, and I'm going to outline it, and then we're going to go ahead and put some eyes on Pac-Man, and then we'll come back to the other cookie and fill in the bow. It's just a really simple bow. Don't stress out about it. And that's all you have to do to fill it in. Now I'm going to add that little knot in the center, and then we're going to put her eye on, and then the set will be done. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed it, hit the like button down below, please subscribe, and leave me a comment if you have any questions or anything. Alright, bye!